Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
Today's modern kitchens have surged in popularity. A modern kitchen is characterized by a clear line with straight edges and shapes. The installed appliances, the materials of the fronts and work surfaces, the floor, the lighting, and, last but not least, the furnishings and decoration make a kitchen a modern kitchen. Here, we will show you the most creative decor ideas and transformation guiding of a classic kitchen into a modern space, achieved by tweaking minimal elements, seamlessly ushering in a new era of furnishings for this millennium. Let's get started. Neutral tone kitchen. The neutral tones of immaculate white, light beige, and pastel gray often set a serene backdrop. Yet for those craving vibrancy, splashes of color can freely adorn furniture or accessories, infusing spaces with conviviality and cheerfulness. White and contrast color. If the furniture in your kitchen is white, feel free to incorporate contrasting elements in the form of small details and accessories, or consider utilizing larger surfaces like the countertop or floor to add a bold touch. White pastel kitchen. A different way to incorporate colors into the pristine white kitchen is by utilizing pastel-toned furniture. Furniture in shades like pastel green, straw, pastel gray, lilac, light blue, or pastel pink can add a delicate and charming touch without disrupting the overall style of the room. Minimalist black. Designing an elegant black-themed kitchen? Think minimalism to bring out black's boldness and maintain a sleek vibe. Consider a black and white palette blend black accents with white surfaces, like a black island among white cabinets for a timeless, visually captivating look. Raw material combination. Blending raw materials like concrete or steel with the warmth of wood creates an intriguing fusion. The contrast between the robustness of concrete or steel and the organic feel of wood forms a symbiotic relationship, embodying both strength and natural charm in a captivating way. Wall paint contrast. Empty kitchen walls present a canvas for a striking transformation. Painting them in a contrasting color can elevate the space instantly. Opt for bold hues like navy blue, burgundy, or dark gray to infuse character into your kitchen decor, creating a fresh and vibrant look that stands out against your furniture. Kitchen wallpaper. If you're looking to give your kitchen a modern touch, consider using kitchen wallpaper instead of traditional tiles. It provides a stylish alternative and allows you to choose from various designs such as geometric prints, linear motifs, or exotic plant prints. Kitchen shape. A U or G-shaped kitchen, along with a cooking island that seamlessly integrates with the living area, can give your kitchen a contemporary appearance. Nonetheless, it is important to note that these designs necessitate more space compared to a kitchenette or L-shaped configuration. Kitchen holder. Affix a sturdy holder securely onto the kitchen wall, providing a convenient space where an array of utensils can be effortlessly hung, ensuring easy accessibility and an organized culinary environment. Kitchen ceiling light. Kitchen drop ceiling lights offer a brilliant means of highlighting particular spots in your kitchen, such as the breakfast area or kitchen counter. With a variety of shapes and designs available, they add depth to the charm of your culinary sanctuary. Golden glow with under-cabinet lighting. Under-cabinet lights are key for task illumination, brightening your kitchen worktop for better visibility while cooking. Beyond functionality, these lights have the added potential to elevate your kitchen's aesthetic appeal, adding a stylish touch to the space. Natural light kitchen. Experience abundant natural light in this modern kitchen design that boasts expansive windows, seamlessly transitioning from daytime brightness to creating an inviting ambiance for evening gatherings. This kitchen embodies both functionality and elegance. Kitchen floor. Explore a myriad of flooring options: terracotta, concrete, cement tiles, or whitewashed parquet to infuse your modern kitchen with character. Opt for bold, unique tiles to express your creativity and add a distinctive touch to your space. Glass material. In addition to being essential in modern designs, glass is now commonly used to enhance the appearance of kitchens. For instance, it is often utilized as a splashback to create a sense of depth in the room and to maximize natural light, two key aspects of contemporary kitchen aesthetics. Modern kitchen hood. Contemporary range hoods have become increasingly fashionable compared to their previous counterparts. The exposed appearance of these hoods incorporates a touch of industrial charm, which effortlessly enhances the allure of your modern kitchen layout. Terrazzo. Terrazzo, once synonymous with the 70s, is experiencing a resurgence in popularity within kitchen design. It is now proudly showcased on countertops, splashbacks, and even floors. This year, terrazzo reclaims its prestigious status and makes a noteworthy comeback. Stainless steel. Stainless steel is the epitome of a modern and innovative aesthetic. In the kitchen, it is frequently found in appliances as well as cabinets, countertops, cooking surfaces, and additional furniture pieces.